What's up, y'all? Just a little doggy information. Y'all know Coco there. She is such a brat. She never really liked treats and all that stuff. Like most of them, I guess she just don't like them. But she is crying right now because she loves these Rachel Ray Nutrish soup bones. They're tasty, longer lasting chews for dogs. Now, I don't know if they're tasty. I haven't eaten them and will not eat them, okay? So let me just show you how she loves these beef and barley flavor soup bones. Coco, come get your treat. Sit. Good girl. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. And there you go. Ah, and she takes off with it. She goes running in her favorite spot there. Right there. And she chews it up. Like, it's supposed to be like a chew that you take your time and relax and eat. But she has no remorse in eating this thing up like crazy. So, there you go. And she'll be back for more. I swear she will be. She's too funny. Now Coco wants more treats. Not gonna happen. I am sitting outside for a brief moment. Decided to take a little break from work and hang out with my pooch. And y'all, I did that black mask thing yesterday and it pulled out every impurity out of my face. You think you have your face like extra cleansed, and I should have done a toner to close those pores up, but I have a little rise right there. Just bad. I sure hate it, but who knew? Who freaking knew? I'm just like getting me a little bit of sun rays right now. That vitamin D is good for you, for sure. Hey, sweet pea, say hello to my beautiful babes. Coco, say hello to my beautiful babes. Yas. Say hey, beautiful babes. How y'all doing? Oh, that didn't work out too well. Coco, the treat is right here. That's the treat. No, leave it alone. Sit down. Sit down. No. Sit. Sit, girl. Stay right there. Stay. Sit. No. Sit. Good girl. Stay. Coco. Okay, good girl. All right. Okay, get it. Go get it. Go get it. Get it. Go eat this treat. Here, Coco. Get your treat. Here, Coco. Okay, I guess I made her wait so long. There you go. Get it.